Some more problems on the differential equations. Right, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to y square minus 2xy by x square minus xy. Dy by dx equal to y square minus 2xy by x square minus xy. Right, clearly this is a homogeneous differential equation. See how to find out this is homogeneous or not. Just check that the numerator degree is 2, in the denominator also degree is 2. That's why this is a homogeneous differential equation. Right, we know that dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. F of x comma y and g of x comma y are homogeneous functions of same degree 2, right? That's why in the numerator degree is 2, in the denominator also degree is 2. This is homogeneous differential equation. Right? For the solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take hint. Put y equal to vx, right? Derivative with respect to x on both sides, derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then dy by dx equal to, right, v into derivative of x is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Take this one is equation 1, this is equation number 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. From 1 and 2, right, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, we take y equal to vx whole square minus 2x into vx by x square, that is x square minus x into vx. Right, that is v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, that is v square x square minus 2x square v by x square minus vx square. That is equal to, the numerator take x square common, that is v square minus 2v by the denominator take x square common, that is 1 minus v. X square cancel, then take v right side, that is x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus v minus v. That is x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v minus v into 1 minus v by 1 minus v. That equal to x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v minus v minus into minus plus v square by 1 minus v. That equal to x into dv by dx equal to v square plus v square, that equal to 2v square minus 3v by 1 minus v. 1 minus v by 2v square minus 3v equal to into dv equal to 1 by x dx. Right? 1 minus v by, we take v common, that is 2v minus 3 into dv equal to 1 by x dx. Right? How to solve this one? 1 minus v by v into 2v minus 3, right? By using partial fractions. That is 1 minus v by v into 2v minus 3 equal to, we know that in denominator v terms and here also v term. That's why we take a by v plus b by 2v minus 3. Then take the LCM, that is 1 minus v equal to a into 2v minus 3 plus b into v. Right? First take v equal to 0. Put v equal to 0, which implies 1 minus 0 equal to a into 2 into 0 minus 3 plus b into 0. That equal to 1 equal to 2a, that equal to minus 3a, which implies a equal to minus 1 by 3. A equal to minus 1 by 3. Now take v equal to 3 by 2. Then 1 minus 3 by 2 equal to a into 0 plus b into 3 by 2. That equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. That equal to 2 minus 3. That equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to b into 3 by 2. Right? Here 2 to cancel. Then b equal to minus 1 by 3. Here also b equal to minus 1 by 3. A equal to minus 1 by 3. B equal to minus 1 by 3. Now take this one. That is minus 1 by 3 into v. Right? Into v minus 1 by 3 into 2v minus 3 dv equal to 1 by x dx. Clearly this is a variable separable method. Right? This is variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides. Minus 1 by 3 v minus 1 by 3 into 2v minus 3 into dv equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Take minus 1 by 3 common, then integral 1 by v minus 1 by 2v minus plus 2v minus 3 into dv equal to integral 1 by x into dx. That equal to minus 1 by 3 into, we know that integral 1 by v equal to log v plus integral 1 by 2v minus 3 equal to log of 2v minus 3 by, here v coefficient is 2, that's why we take by, that equal to by 2 equal to log x plus log c. Right? Take 3 right side, that equal to minus log v plus log of root 2v minus 3 equal to 3 into log cx. That equal to minus log a plus log b. That equal to log ab v into root of 2v minus 3 equal to log c cube into x cube. We take minus right side. Then we get log of v into root of 2v minus 3 equal to, that is minus log of c cube into x cube. Right? That equal to log v into root of 2v minus 3 equal to log of 1 by c cube into x cube. Removing log on both sides, then we get v into root of 2v minus 3 equal to 1 by c cube into x cube. Right? Then v into, we know that y equal to vx, then v equal to y by x. Y by x into root of 2 into y by x minus 3 equal to 1 by c cube. That's why we take another constant that equal to k. K by x cube. Right? Take x cube left side, then we get x cube into y by x equal to square root of 2 into y by x minus 3 equal to some other constant k. Here one x is cancelled, that's why x square into y into root of 2 y by x minus 3 equal to k. That is the required solution. That is the required solution of the given differential equation. Solve the differential equation x cube minus 3xy square into dx plus 3x square y minus y cube into dy equal to 0. First convert it into dy by dx. See, given equation is x cube minus 3xy square into dx plus 3x square y minus y cube into dy equal to 0. Right, first convert it into dy by dx form, that is 3x square y minus y cube into dy equal to, right, take right side, then we get 3xy square minus x cube into dx, right, that equal to dy by dx equal to 3xy square minus x cube by 3x square y minus y cube. Clearly, this is a homogeneous differential equation. Right? Numerator degree is 3. Numerator homogeneous function of degree 3. In denominator also homogeneous function of degree 3. Right? The numerator and denominator having the same degree. That's why this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is homogeneous differential equation. Right? For the solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take y equal to vx. Right? Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Right, this is common for every problem. Right, we take y equal to vx, that is common to every problem. Right, we take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, we take y equal to vx, that is 3x into vx whole square minus x cube by 3x square into vx minus vx whole cube, that equal to 3x cube v square minus x cube by, in denominator also 3x cube v minus v cube x cube. Right? Take x cube common in the numerator, that is 3v square minus 1 by, here x cube common, then we get 3v minus v cube. Here x cube cancel, then we take x into dv by dx equal to 3v square minus 1 by 3v minus v cube minus v. Take LCM, that is 3v minus v cube, 3v square minus 1 minus v into 3v minus v cube. X into dv by dx equal to, that is 3v square minus 1 minus 3v square minus into minus plus, that equal to v power 4 by 3v minus v cube. Plus 3v square minus 3v square cancel. Then we get x into dv by dx equal to v power 4 minus 1 by 3v minus v cube. Right? Separating v terms and x terms, that is 3v minus v cube by v power 4 plus 1 into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Right? That is v square minus 1. Now take the partial fractions, that is 3v minus v cube by, we know that v power 4 minus 1, a plus b into a minus b, that is v plus 1 into v minus 1 into v square plus 1. Right, now take the partial fractions, that is a by v plus 1 plus b by v minus 1 plus c by cx cv plus d by v square plus 1. That equal to 3v minus v cube equal to a into v minus 1 into v square plus 1 plus b into v plus 1 into v square plus 1 plus cv plus d by into v square minus 1. Right, for solving this one we get a, b, c, d values. Right, now take v equal to 1, put v equal to 1, then we get 3 minus 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into v equal to 1, that equal to 1 plus 1 2 into 1 plus 1 2, here also 0, that is 2 equal to b into 4, which implies b equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 2. Now take v equal to minus 1. Now take v equal to minus 1, which implies 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 whole cube, that is also minus into minus plus 1 equal to minus 1 a into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square, that equal to 1 plus 1, that equal to 2, plus b into 0 plus cv plus d into cv plus d into minus 1 whole square, that equal to 1 minus 1, that is also 0. Then we get minus 3 plus 1, that equal to minus 2 equal to a into minus 4, which implies a equal to 1 by 2. Here a also 1 by 2. Now comparing v cube terms on both sides. Compare v cube on constant terms. Right? Comparing v cube terms, the LHS equal to minus 1 equal to v into v square, that equal to v cube a plus, here v into v square v cube, that is a plus b, here cv plus into cv into v square, that is equal to cv cube. Right, a plus b plus c equal to minus 1, and constant terms is here a into minus 1, in LHS no constant term is there, that equal to 0, here a into minus 1 minus a into 1, that equal to minus a, in b also b into 1, b plus b into 1, that equal to a plus b, here d into minus 1 minus d, right, minus a plus b minus d. Right, solving this one, okay, substitute a value, b value here, then we get minus 1 equal to, we know that a equal to 1 by 2 plus b equal to 1 by 2 plus c, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, that equal to 1, minus 1 minus 1, that equal to c, here c equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 2. From here d equal to minus a plus b, here a equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 2, that equal to 0. Right, then substitute here a equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into v plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into v minus 1 plus cv plus d, that equal to minus 2v by v square plus 1 into dv equal to 1 by x dx. Now this is clearly a variable separable method. Then separating v terms and x terms. Now we take integrating on both sides. This is variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides. Then we get 1 by 2 into integral 1 by v plus 1 dv plus integral 1 by 2 into v minus 1 dv minus integral 2v by v square plus 1 dv equal to integral 1 by x dx. We know that 1 by 2 into 1 by x, that equal to log of v plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of v minus 1. Here f dash of x by f of x, v square derivative is 2v. Here derivative of 1 is 0, that equal to minus log of v square plus 1 equal to integral 1 by x equal to log x. All functions in log, that's why we take integral constant also, arbitrary constant also, log c. That equal to 1 by 2 into log of log a plus log b, that equal to log ab, that equal to log b plus 1 into v minus 1 minus log v square minus v square plus 1 equal to log cx. Then log of root of v plus 1 into v minus 1 minus log of v square plus 1 equal to log cx. We know that log a minus log b equal to log ab. Log a by b, that equal to log root of v square minus 1 by v square plus 1 equal to log cx. Removing log on both sides, then we get root v square minus 1 by v square plus 1 equal to cx. Right, then squaring on both sides, that equal to v square minus 1 by v square plus 1 whole square equal to c square x square. That is v square minus 1 equal to c square x square into v square plus 1 whole square. We know that y equal to vx, then we take v equal to y by x. That is y square by x square minus 1 equal to c square x square into y square plus x square by y square whole square. Then that is y square minus x square by x square equal to c square x square plus y square plus x square whole square by here y x square, that is here x square, that is x power 4. X square cancel, here x square cancel. Then we get y square minus x square equal to c square into y square plus x square whole square. This is the solution, general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Right? Here partial fractions is here most important, solving this one. After solving this one, we get the integrating on both sides. Then we get the solution of the given differential equation. See, solve the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to square root of x square plus y square into dx. X into dy minus y into dx equal to square root of x square plus y square into dx. First converted into dy by dx form. Here x into dy equal to square root of x square plus y square into dx plus y into dx. X into dy equal to square root of x square plus y square plus y into dx. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to square root of x square plus y square plus y by x. Right? This is a homogeneous differential equation. Yes. In the numerator degree is 1. In the denominator also degree is 1. The homogeneous function of degree 1. Here x square, some constant we take under root, we take that equal to 1. Here also y power 1. Denominator also degree is 1. That's why this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is homogeneous differential equation. Now take y equal to Vx. Put y equal to Vx. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to p into 1 plus x into dv by dx. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Right? From 1 and 2. Right? Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Then we get v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right? We know that y equal to vx, that equal to square root of x square plus v square x square plus y equal to vx by x. V plus x into dv by dx equal to, right? Here x square is common. Under root x square is x, that is x into square root of 1 plus v square plus v into x by x. Therefore, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, take x in numerator, then cancel, then we get square root of 1 plus v square plus v. Here v cancel, then separating v terms and x terms, that is dv by square root of 1 plus v square equal to 1 by x dx. This is clearly a variable separable method. This is variable separable method. Right? Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integral dv by square root of 1 plus v square equal to integral 1 by x dx. We know that integral 1 by 1 plus v square equal to sin h inverse of v, and another formula is log of v plus root of 1 plus v square. That is log of v plus root of 1 plus v square equal to, we know that integral log x, 1 by x is log x plus log c constant, that equal to log v plus root of 1 plus v square equal to log a plus log b, that equal to log ab. Removing log on both sides, then we get v plus 1 plus root of 1 plus v square equal to cx. Right? We know that v equal to y by x, that is y by x plus root of x square plus y square by x square equal to cx. That is y plus root of x square plus y square by x equal to cx square. This is the required solution. Right? Like that we are solving the homogeneous differential equation. First converting into dy by dx form. Check that this is a homogeneous function or not. Right? This is a homogeneous equation or not. Then put y equal to vx. Then separating v, take right side. Then separating v terms and x terms. Then integrating on both sides. Like that we are solving the homogeneous differential equations. Next one. Solve the differential equation. 2 into dy by dx equal to y by x plus y square by x square. Two into dy by dx equal to y by x plus y square by x square. See, in numerator here degree is 3, in denominator also degree is 3. That's why this is a homogeneous differential equation. Numerator of homogeneous function degree 3 and denominator also homogeneous function degree 3. This is homogeneous differential equation. For the solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take hint, put y equal to vx. Y equal to vx. Then derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to, we know that derivative of uv, v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. We take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, substitute equation 2 in equation 1, that is 2 into v plus x into dv by dx equal to, we know that y equal to vx, that is y by x equal to v, that is v plus y by x is v, that equal to v square. That equal to 2v plus 2x into dv by dx equal to v plus v square. Take 2v right side, then we get 2x into dv by dx equal to v square minus v. V square minus v. Then separating v terms and x terms, then we get 2 by v square minus 1, v square minus v into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Right? Now take the partial fractions, that is 2 into, that is 1 by v into 1, v minus 1 into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Right? That is 2 into minus 1 by v plus 1 by v minus 1 into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Take the LCM, v minus 1, that equal to minus v plus 1, here plus v, minus v plus v cancel in the numerator, then we get like this. Then separating v terms and x terms, then after we take variable separable method. This is solving by using variable separable method. Now take integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Then 2 into integral minus 1 by v dv plus integral 1 by v minus 1 into dv equal to integral 1 by x into dx. That is 2 into minus 1 by v, that equal to minus log v plus log of v minus 1 equal to log x. In all the functions in log, that's why we take constant also log. That is 2 into log a minus log b, that equal to log a minus a by b equal to log cx, that equal to log of v minus 1 by v whole square equal to log cx. Removing log on both sides, that is v minus 1 whole square by v square equal to cx. Now we know that y equal to vx, then v equal to y by x, that is y minus x whole square by x square equal to cx into y square by x square. Here x square cancel. Then we get y minus x whole square equal to cx into y square. That is the required solution of the given homogeneous differential equation.